Okay, so this is our app and its kind of current status. What we want to do is when we type in here, we want to be able to click create new task and then see a new task arise. So let's go to our developer console. Now we're going to make another quick refactor here, and part of the reason is I want to keep this course very simple. So let's open up this to do create task button. Let's open that and go to component, and we're just going to take everything here and cut it and copy it. So let's go back to our to do create task container and replace that line with our button. Okay. So when we click this, we're going to want to call an action that will get this value and then add it to the list. Okay, so we're going to want to handle this handle create task and save that. Now we need to create this in the controller, so let's copy that, go to the controller, and we want to do handle create task. Save that. Now we need to do two things here. One, get the input value, and two, add that value to the list. Let's save that. Okay, so to get the input value, we want to get this ID. Document element by ID. Then we want to store this as well, so const input equals, and let's just alert this just to show it's working. Cool, okay, we get the HTML input value, so we're getting the actual element. Now let's go back to our controller, and if we go to create task, we want to go to the controller for this. Let's close some of the other stuff. And we just want the value, so let's add .value and save that. And let's open up our application again and preview. Okay, so testing that. We get test. Perfect. Okay, so let's go back to our controller. Now we want to add that value to the list. So let's go to our create task container. We need to have that list here. So let's add an attribute and call it aura attribute name equals task list and type equals string array, and save that. Now we need to pass that. Let's go to the top level container. So to do container, and then we need to pass that down here. So task list equals v.tasks. And save that and refresh. Oh, save that, and then let's go back to our create task container and to the controller, and we want to get that list of tasks. So let tasks equals component .get v.task list, and then we want to add our new task. So tasks dot push input, and then we want to now set that task list component to the new value. So component dot set b dot task list. We want to set that to tasks, and then save that. Okay, let's take a look. Let's refresh. Test. Okay, so we're not getting anything. And the reason we're not getting anything is because we did not push those task lists down to the to-do task container. So task list equals v.tasks, and then save. Okay, so now let's test that out. When we hit create task, we get the task name and the action. Perfect.